The next topic is cofactors of determinant. Cofactors are the product of minor of any element, and we have to multiply it with -1, having power of its row as well as column. So now let us find out the cofactors of the given matrix. You can see in this matrix 3 rows are there and 3 columns are there. So we will have 9 cofactors, like as we have in case of minors. Similar is the case with the cofactors. Now cofactor will be denoted with capital A11. If you remember, for minors we have written small a11, like so. Now here we will be writing capital A11. 11 denotes first row and first column. So we are calculating first cofactor for 0. So how we calculate it? You have to start with -1. Its power will be this base 1 plus 1. Whatever is the position of your element, that will be added to this -1 is power. So -1, it will be for every cofactor. We will start with -1. The power will be, these two will be added. And for 0 now we are calculating. So we will delete this column, delete this row. Inside we have 2, 3, 1, 1. Now calculation part is very much similar as we have done in case of minor. So this -1 raised to power 2 will be +1, and here we will again cross multiply. 2 into 1 will be 2. We will put a minus sign in between, and 3 into 1 is 3. So first cofactor's answer is -1. Coming to the second, A12. Now we are calculating the cofactor for the second element, that is 1. How we will calculate it? -1, same, power will be this plus this. It means 1 plus 2. Earlier it was 1, 1, so 1 plus 1. Now it will be 1 plus 2. So for this we will delete this column, delete this row. We will be left with 1, 3, 3 and 1. Now -1 raised to power 3 will be -1. 1 into 1, 1. 3 into 3 will be 9, and we will put a minus sign in between. So this comes out to be -8 into -1. So it will be +8. Now third cofactor, A13. For 2 we are calculating the cofactor. So we will use the same thing. We will start with -1. Power will be this plus this. So 1 plus 3. So how we will write it? Now 1 plus 3. So this has been deleted. This has been deleted. The result is 1, 2, 3, 1. -1 raised to power 4 will be +1. So 1 into 1 is 1, and you will put a minus sign in between. 3 into 2, 6, and when you will solve it, you will get -5. Coming up to the second row, here we will write A21. 21 stands for second row and first column. So that is 1. For 1 we are calculating. -1's power will be this 2 plus 1. And inside again we will delete this row, delete this column. The result is 1, 2, 1, 1. Now solve it. -1 raised to power 3, that will be -1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 1, 2. So 1 minus 2 will be -1. When we will multiply it with -1, the result will be 1, 1. Like this we will calculate cofactors for the entire matrix, and I'll tell you the answers. If you will calculate A22, the answer will be -6. For A23, the answer will be 3. For A31, the answer will be -1. For A32, the answer will be 2. For A33, the answer will be -1. So with this we have calculated all the cofactors. Now if it has been given to you that you have to write the cofactors in the matrix form, we can write that in the matrix form as well. Let us write that. We will write matrix of cofactors. So how we have calculated, we will write that row wise only. -1, 8, -5, because we have calculated row wise. 1, -6, 3, -1, 2, -1. So this is the matrix of cofactor. Another point we can add here is, sometimes in the questions you have been given that you have to calculate adjoint of A, adjoint of the matrix. So adjoint of the matrix, this is the matrix, original matrix. Adjoint of the A is nothing but the transpose of cofactors matrix. Now in this question you have seen we have calculated matrix of cofactors. When you take the transpose of this matrix, transpose means the rows will be converted into columns and columns will be converted into rows, it will become adjoint. And for adjoint, short form is ADJ-A, adjoint of A. So we simply have to take transpose of this. If I take transpose of this matrix, I will change the rows into the columns and the columns into the rows. It has become the adjoint of this matrix. So like this you can calculate the cofactors. If you have been told to calculate only the cofactors, you can stop there. But if it has been written that you have to calculate adjoint of A, first calculate the matrix of cofactors, take its transpose, that will be your adjoint of A.